Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to implement the localization in Flutter. Okay, I have created this new Flutter project and I have opened it on VS Code. Okay, now go to open up the browser and go to the pub.app and search for Flutter localization. I'm going to use this package for changing the language, okay, from English to Arabic to English. Okay, it has like 54K downloads for now. Okay, click on this package and click on the installing tab. Okay, I'm going to run this command in the terminal in the project directory in the VS Code. You can just copy this line and add to the dependency to the pubspec.yaml file. Okay, I'm going to run this command in the project directory in the terminal. Okay, now we also need this package intl. Click on the installing tab and copy this and run it over here in the terminal, or copy this intl and add to the dependency. Okay. Okay, now if you open up the pubspec.yaml file, as you can see, two new packages has been added to our Flutter project. Now let's create the new folder inside the leaf folder. Okay, it should be yal10yam, and inside it we'll create the .arv file. Okay, you can get the language code. Create the file app underscore en.arv. You can get the language code to the Wikipedia. You can search the language code anywhere in the internet. You'll find that in the internet. Okay, as per your need, as per your country. Okay, now create the JSON. Okay, let's set the string app title. Let's say it to do app. Keep the comma, and for another text, let's say add tags, and for another text also, let's say delete tags. Okay. And do not give the comma at the end. Okay, now let's create another file for another language. Okay, this N is for Nepali language. Okay, and I'm just going to paste this to this file. I'm doing this similar as this file. This will match like here for add tags. Okay, now open up the pubspec.yaml file and here roll down, and here type generate, make it true. Okay, and run the command pubget. And it will generate for the newer version, newer Flutter version. For I'm using the older one, so it will not generate. So over here in the root, let's create the new file. Okay, it's going to be l10yan.yaml file. Okay, I'm going to paste this because I'm using the older version. Okay, and run the command flutter yal10, sorry, generate yal10, and run this command Flutter Zen hyphen Eltenian. Okay, and it will create this uh, file. Okay, dot files. Okay, this is for English and this is for Nepali. Perfect. Now open up the main.dot file. Before that, let's create the new file. Here, I'm gonna say homepage dot file, and here let's create the stateless widget. Let's send the class name to homepage, and let's return here scaffold. Perfect. Okay, now give the app bar app title. Sorry, app bar. Give the title text. Okay, and in the body, let's give the text. Okay, let's create a elevated button. Make the on press function blank. Side text. Let's say add. Okay, now open up the main.dart file and let's delete this stateless widget and let's create new stateless widget and give the class name to my app, and let's return here MaterialApp. Give the home that home page we have just created. Okay, here we go. Here is our home screen. Okay, let's make debug so check mode banner false. It will remove this banner. Okay, now inside the MaterialApp, okay, let's keep the local. If the language code here, okay, it's a default one. Okay, English, and type localization delegate with this property, and app localization, type app localization. Okay, input this app localization file and write app localization delegate, and give the supported locals also app localization dot supported local calls. Okay, now open up the home page and over here let's keep app, let's type app localization, and dot of context, and for the title let's keep this one. Okay, keep the null check here. Okay, here you go. This title we are getting from here. Okay, this is just creating the getter in a string. Okay, we had said earlier here app local, I mean app title here, app add tags like this. Now open up the home page again. Okay, instead of setting this like as like this, just create the variable here and remove this from here and change this to language. There we go. And for the button also, let's change this. Now you can see here. Okay, now open up the main.dart file and you can change this to Yani and you'll see the another language there. Okay, it's not working for this one. I don't know why. Let's see the getter. Okay, let's copy this and paste it here. It created the to-do app like that. So, okay. I said you it will be similar earlier. Okay, now let's delete this file again and let's generate it again. Okay, as you can see, the language are switching. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos.